The Kerradeco wall system is a modern and functional material that creates amazing and individual interiors in little time and without any real disruption to your life. This is an ideal solution not only for private homes and apartments but also for public spaces, restaurants, offices, hotels or apartments for rent. Kerradeco has a unique look and ability to work in many different interiors which are derived from the qualities created by the Kerracore technology developed at the VOX Research and Development Center. One of VOX's core beliefs is to create solutions with the least impact on the environment, which is why we use recycled materials in the production process. The result is a modern and durable composite material. Kerradeco is an extremely durable product resistant to moisture, water and impact. The panels have a tactile texture and are finished with the highest quality digital overprint. The low weight of Kerradeco is a significant advantage over other wall solutions. For comparison, 1 square meter of Kerradeco weighs 5.5 kilograms, and the weight of the ceramic tile is 4 times as much. Kerradeco panels come in 3 formats. To complement the panels and give the perfect finish, a set of trims are available in 2 silver and champagne colors.